Work shouldn't feel like this. Constantly jumping between tools, losing track of where you were, spending your day tasks that honestly a computer should handle by now. So Ajelix fixed it. Ajelix add-on is now available in Google Workspace. It works in Google Sheets, Docs, Slides, and Forms. It's all there. Same sidebar, one add-on, one simple idea. You tell it what you need, and AI agent does the work for you. Let's see how it works. So let's say you're in Sheets. You got raw data. It needs formulas, maybe charts. You want to present some data to get some insights. So you type what you want in the sidebar, and that's it. The formulas write themselves, the chart appears, the AI agent performs the tasks for you, so you can move on with other tasks. In Google Docs, maybe you need to turn a bullet point into a full report or clean up something wrote at midnight that doesn't quite make sense anymore. So AI agent can help with that too. Working on a presentation in Google Slides, same things. You give the topic maybe some rough content, some structure or ideas. It builds the deck for you with proper structure, decent design. It's maybe not still perfect. You still want to tweak it a little bit, but you're not starting from a blank page anymore. The last for Google Forms, you can build surveys, quizzes, data collection, whatever you need. Build it in seconds from a simple description. Most of us didn't take our jobs to spend days formatting spreadsheets or rebuilding slides for the 100th time. We took that for the parts that need a human, the judgment calls, the creative thinking, the conversations. So this add-on isn't about doing more work faster, it's about doing less of the work that really drains you. So you can let the repetitive step happen automatically. Ajelix add-on is now available in the Google Workspace Marketplace. If you already use Ajelix, you're all set. If you don't, then there's a free trial available at chat.ajelix.com. See it if it works for you. Give yourself a break too. Let the boring stuff handle itself.